Think your credit card is just a plastic swipe and go? Think again. One small mistake, just one, could secretly be draining hundreds, even thousands of dollars from your pocket every year. But the scary part? Most Americans have no idea they're doing it. So before you use your card again, watch this entire video, because today, I'm revealing the 7 biggest credit card mistakes that could be silently ruining your finances without you even knowing. Hey there, welcome to the channel. If you're serious about managing your money smarter, building wealth, and avoiding traps that the banks don't want you to know about, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button because we've got powerful videos coming every week just like this one. Now let's dive in. You check your bill and see you owe $650, but the minimum payment, just $28. Sounds great, right? Wrong. If you only pay the minimum, you're basically telling the bank, sure, charge me interest every month. I love giving away free money. Let's say your interest rate is 24%. Paying just the minimum on that $650 can take over 2 years to pay off, and you'll end up paying way more than $650. Tip: always try to pay off your full balance. If that's not possible, at least pay more than the minimum. Here's something most people miss: your credit utilization ratio. It's how much of your available credit you're using. If you have a $5,000 limit and you're carrying $4,900, that's 98%. Credit bureaus hate that. It makes you look risky and your credit score drops, even if you pay on time. Tip: keep your usage below 30%. If you can stay under 10%, you're golden. Fun fact: your due date and your statement date are not the same. If you pay after your due date, boom, late fees. Pay before your statement closes, and it can boost your score. It's all about timing. Set reminders, automate payments, do whatever it takes, but don't miss that date. New card offer in the mail? Pre-approved. Feels nice. But applying for too many cards too often can hurt you. Each time you apply, it's a hard inquiry. Too many in a short time makes lenders think you're desperate. Tip: apply only when needed and space them out. Most people just look at the total due. But what about that random $19 charge? Or the $6 fee? Could be fraud. Could be a sneaky subscription. If you're not checking line by line, you're leaving the door wide open. Make it a habit. 5 minutes a month could save you a fortune. Credit cards are not cash, but it's so easy to feel like they are. $100 dinner here, $200 shoes there. I'll pay it later. Before you know it, your balance is out of control. Tip: if you wouldn't pay cash for it, don't swipe your card for it. Use cards for planned expenses, not impulse purchases. You're spending money anyway. Why not get something back? Cashback, travel miles, points. Credit cards offer all kinds of perks. But if you're not using the right card for your spending habits, you're missing out on free money. Example: if you drive a lot, use a gas rewards card. Order online, get one that gives points for shopping. So, now you know. The 7 credit card mistakes costing people thousands every year. How many of these were you making? Let me know in the comments. And hey, if you found this helpful, hit that like button and share it with a friend. Remember, it's not about how much money you make. It's about how smart you manage it. Want a free checklist to avoid credit card mistakes? Check the link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe. We've got more money-saving tips coming your way soon.